Today, I'm sharing my secret, the one pot pressure cooker pasta. We were doing it all in one go without boiling the pasta separately. You're ready? Let's get cooking. Firstly, we were started with the richnesses of 1 tablespoon of ghee along with chopped onion, capsicum and tomato. The tomato should be so juicy because then only it releases the tangy flavors so fast. Mix this thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are happy. Now we can add a 4 spoon of pizza sauce. For creamy and thicknesses we're using to mix the cornstarch and the milk. This is our non-creamy but a creamy solution. With the final 3 steps we're gonna add the pepper powder and the chili flakes along with the 1 tablespoon of salt. I am adding only 1 by 2 times of water. Quickly add whole 1 cup of unboiled pasta. Give it a one quick stir just once. Close the lid and wait for that one single whistle. Let's open it and just look at that perfectly cooked, creamy and ready in a literally minutes. Give it a final gentle stir to make sure all that sauce coats every single pieces. And there you have it. Smell that. Oh my god, this is incredible. The most effortless, delicious, creamy pressure cooker pasta. I hope you love this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.